This video is for 5-4, Work Together. Our instructions are on page 138 in our textbook. It says, write the answers to this problem in the working papers. Your instructor will guide you through the following example. Number 1, journalize the following transactions completed during July of the current year. Use page 13, I'm going to write that page number in, of the General Journal. The abbreviation for check is C. Okay, so on July 3rd, so I'm going to put in July. We are on line 1, so I need the current year. 3rd. Okay, paid cash to establish a petty cash fund. When we establish a petty cash fund, we debit petty cash and we credit cash. Okay, our source document is going to be the check number. So this is check 57, C57, and it's at $250. Then we credit $250 to cash. And this is to establish the petty cash fund. That means I got a box, I went to the bank, I cashed a check with $250, and I put the $250 in the box. Okay, now we jump to the 31st. It says we paid cash to replenish the petty cash fund. So we get to the end of the month. I've paid some little bills out of the petty cash fund. I'm running low on cash, so I need to resupply it to make sure I start the next month with $250 back in. When we do a replenish, we do not use petty cash. We're going to debit the individual expenses and credit cash. So we're still in July. We just put the 31st. Okay, it says that we had supplies that were $25, miscellaneous expense that was $8, and repairs that was $45. Those are all going to be debited, so we're going to have 3 debits listed here. So we'll start with supplies. This will be right against the margin. This is going to be check number 97. And our supplies amount is $25. Then our next one is miscellaneous expense. This is another debit, so it goes right against the margin. And our miscellaneous amount is $8. And then the third thing we paid for was repairs. So this is going to go into repairs expense. And our repair expense was $45. Now, the total of all 3 of these debits is going to be our one credit amount to cash. So I'm going to put cash in indented because it's credited. And our total, all 3 of those added together, is $78. So I do not have just 1 debit and 1 credit. I have 3 debits and 1 credit, but I have an equal amount debited as I have credited, which is the secret here, or what needs to happen. Okay, you get to do the same type of thing on 5-4 on your own.